To my fellow students, respected members of the faculty, board of judges, good morning to each and every one of you. And this is the quote that I have taken. It's my pleasure to share my thoughts about this. Asian culture doesn't just invite you in. It immerses you, teaching that hospitality is not just a gesture, but a way of life. Since then, Asian country and its people is always being known for its hospitable, and it's been proved by our foreign people who have come and visit to our country. And one of their always takeaway was that the Asian people is such a heart-welcoming and hospitable people. They are not because leading them to love and to immerse in such culture. Because according to them, they are not just being hospitable just because they were obligated to, or because it is just their job, but because they can feel their beautiful and genuine treatment that the Asian people gave to them, and leading them to love and to immerse in such culture. And for the view of the Asian people, or for the view of the Asian people, it is not just our culture, but it is our way of life. In Asian country, especially here in the Philippines, it is known to be resilience. For the reason that whatever disaster may come, you can still see us genuinely smiling and helping each other. Because it is our way of life, way to survive, and way to live in happiness. So, therefore, it really invites others to immerse in such culture because what a beautiful culture Asian has, such a genuine gesture way of life. I am Claire Abiharon, representing Class 3